हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज वीडियो रे आम कौन देखिए ना गोटे पॉलिटी रो शॉर्ट टॉपिक देखिए जोटा कि हमर टॉपिक होची व्हाट इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कौन आम डिटेल बुझिबा ताको हम पूरा शॉर्ट लेक्चर रे 5 मिनट रे सारिया पे ट्राई करबी। इवन दो द टाइम इज शॉर्ट, by the end of this video you will clearly understand the meaning, importance and role of constitution in the functioning of a country, uh, function of the country. So let's begin. For the way, what is constitution? A constitution is like the rule book or the instrumental manual of a country. Just like every game has rules, so that everyone knows the way, uh, what they can do and cannot do. A country also needs rules to function smoothly. These rules are written together in one document, and the document is called the constitution. Or otherwise, other meaning रे जदि आमे कहबा, constitution is a compact document that contains many articles and sections. These articles explain how the state is formed, who will run it, and what principles the government must follow. Secondly, it is called the fundamental law of the land. Uh, uh, what is the meaning of this? This means that all other laws in country must follow the constitution. If any law goes against it, that law becomes invalid. Third point है the constitution gives us the basic framework of our political system. It defines the famous trinity of our country. Trinity in the sense, the legislature which makes the law, executive which implement the law, and judiciary which interprets the law. So the constitution tells each of these organs what they are supposed to do and what limits they must follow. Next, it also sets the rule of interaction between the three organs. In simple words, it makes sure that no organ become too powerful and that all three works together in balance. Next, the constitution also defines the relationship between the state and the citizenship. It tells us what rights we have, what duties we must follow, and how the government should treat its people. This is why we have fundamental rights, duties, and various prospectives of protections as citizens. So to sum up it, जदि आमे conclude करिबा, a constitution is the backbone of the country. It guides the government, protects the people, and keeps everything running in an orderly and fairly manner. If you found the explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such simple and यूजफुल लेसन्स। और रिसेंटली एथरे हमरो समरजी सर मध्ये जॉइन करछन्ती, से मध्ये छोट छोट क्लिप माध्यम रे हमकु मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड करे। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।